Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a filter view from your data in Google Sheets. So here we have this data and I'm going to create a filter view from this. So the first column here we have all the numbers, and the second we have all the cells. We have $2,000 cells, 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, 1,000 and 1,200. Let's select our data and click on data menu, and we need to click on create a filter view. When you click at the filter view, you can save this view, and from here you can just click and you can sort from A to Z, from Z to A, and you can sort by color, by the fill color, by the text color, and you can filter by color, which is selected none. So there is no colors, so you cannot sort by color or filter by color, but you can filter by a condition. If you click here, so you can filter it by is empty, is not empty, text contains, text does not contain, text starts with, text ends with, text is exactly. And if I scroll down, you can see date is before, date is after, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. And if I scroll down, you can see is equal to, is not equal to, is between, is not between, date validated, date not validated, custom formula is. Now let's select is between 1,000, between, let's just type 1,500 to 2,000. So from here also I can just click to take this 1,000, so you can filter by values as well, display and sex. Now I'm going to click on OK. So you can see the value between this 1,500 and 2,000, which is this 2,000. You can just click to save this view. So this is how we can create a filter view with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt, please ask me in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.